Okay, so good morning, guys. Okay, today's we are learning to the Paint. Okay, Paint is one application we have. We do not need to buy this Paint application because what happened when you are installing Windows application, we already have inside of our computer Paint application. Okay, Paint we are using for means those who are the first time using a computer. For them, Paint is the best applications to hold the mouse long term. Even what happen whenever we are using to the Paint application, lot of creativities are coming. Okay, so basically what exactly we need to do? We need to go to the over here a search engine we have. Okay, can you just click inside of the search engine? And then after later, we need to be a search over here, paint application. Just write over here paint spelling Paint paint. Okay, now you can see in the search engine a paint application we can able to see, right? Just open this application. Okay, now you can see the paint application is look like that. Now have exactly this paint surface. Where is which option we have? Okay, let's see over here with me. Now over here in the top, you can see we can able to see untitled. You know what is the untitled meaning? Untitled meaning means we not save yet our application, or we are not save yet our file which one we are making over here. Like suppose I'm taking over here pencil and I want to be a draw that. And when you are saving this drawing, I know it's not a drawing, but saving, when you're saving this one over here, you can able to see another name which one we are using. Suppose you are using to the this when you done suppose painting, and after you want to be a save that using by ABC, then what happen? You can able to see over here your painting name ABC paint. Okay, now after this side we have to the our regular icons are present, Windows icons are present, minimize, maximize, and the closing window button. Minimize means what? You can able to minimize over your application, and behind your taskbar means behind your this one is it operating means it's a working on. Okay, I am clicking again back. After later we have over here maximize icon. Many times whenever you are opening your application, it's a open like this way, means it's a small, right? It's not with the full screen. So if you want to make a full screen, we can able to go over here, and we can, when we are clicking over there, it will become as a full screen. Okay, now after over here we have to the closing window button. Closing means what? Your application will be a close permanently. Okay, so let me click over here. Now they are asking, do you want to save your work? No, I don't want to be save my this work, right? So let me say don't save. So you can see right now my application is closed properly. Now let me go again back to the search engine. I want to search over here again back your paint application. Okay, now just clicked over here and open back. Now let's go to the down below over here. We have the tabs are available. One, two, three. Three tabs are available. File. Okay, inside file we have some option. After letter we have edit. After letter we have to the view, and then we have to the some quick access toolbar are present. One, two, three, four. These four are coming inside of your quick access toolbar. You know what is the meaning of quick access toolbar? Quick access means quickly we can use some tools. Okay, now after over here we have to the login button. If you want to be a login with PowerPoint, you can log in also. After over here we have a settings option. It's a setting relevant to your PowerPoint presentation. And I would you like to suggest you, if you are beginner in the paint, or if you're beginner in the using computer, don't mess up with the settings, because what happened, this settings is related to the your application. Okay, now after below, you can see this is exactly the rectangle. You can see this rectangle surface called as the ribbon. Okay, now inside of the ribbon, you can see there are different you can see it's a group we have. You can see it's a line are there. Okay, now what exactly this line? You can see over here, this is the selection group we have. Means what happened? From inside we have a lot of option. This option is belonging to the a selection group. Okay, now inside we have a icon not sorry, image. Okay, images means what? Relevant to the, whenever you're taking image, you can use a image relevant to the option inside of the image only, image group only. Now after later we have next one, tools are there. Means we have to the pencil. After that, we have over here feel, text, rubber. After that, color picker and zoom in and zoom out button. Okay, magnifying glass means this option we have present inside of your tools. After later, we have to the brushes option means we can take any brush we want like a airbrush, oil paint, oil brush. After that, crayons, markers. Okay, we can take to the these things from over here. After later, we have to the shapes option. Okay, shapes means what? Many times we want to be a draw directly the shape. So see over here, predefined shapes are present. Okay, you can take that. Now after letter we have to the colors option. We can pick to the color which one you want. After letter we have to the copilot option. Means if you want to be a implement AI features, we can able to implement that also. After letter we have to the layer options. Means whenever you are writing anything or we are taking anything, a layers are created. Layers means exactly you can understand. Like suppose we have to the one particular surface where we are making to the drawing, and the thing is what, like I can take a one paper, like one different paper, and in that one paper only I can draw one picture, another paper I can create the another picture, and the third paper we can create to the another picture. So thing is what, end of the day, anytime if I want to be edit or if I want to do anything, I can go to the separately that inside of the layer and I can able to edit that. That is the use of, means what happened right now, I'm not making a full diagram inside of my one page only. I made it a different pages, and whenever I want to edit only the one single picture, I can edit that properly. Maybe those who know to the pics, those who know to the different application relevant to the painting or relevant to the we have to the Photoshop, we have to the Adobe also, different software. Okay, if you know that software, there we are using to the layers, right? It's a similar like inside of the paint also. But what happened, Adobe and this software is dedicated for a professional purpose. Paint, we are not using professional purpose. Whenever we want to understand a computer, a basics of things, at that time we are using to the paint. But those who are beginners, them purpose paint is very useful. Okay, now after in the middle we can see to the Canva. Canva means what, where we can able to draw. Okay, we can see, if you don't know the Canva meaning, let me consider it's like a page. Okay, so this is page we have where we are going to be a drawing, whenever we are going to be a draw over here anything. Okay, now over here we have to the zoom. Zoom means if suppose you want to be a zoom, you can zoom also. If you want to do again back normal, it should be always in the 100%. Okay, so you can see my Canva is right now 100%. Right now again over here we have to the zoom in and zoom out option. We have the two way. We can directly go to the drop down menu and we can select that also, or else we can go to the over here plus and minus button. We can able to go over here also. So this is two option we have right now. I think so you understand what exactly the surface we have right now. Let's understand one by one option. If we can go to the files, we have a different options are available. We have to the create new means what, if suppose I want to be open any new for a PowerPoint presentation, or I want to be draw something new painting, I can click on to the new option. After we have to the open option. Open means what, if suppose we are already working in any image and I want to be image not in a painting, I can able to open again that painting and I can able to draw that again back. Okay, after later over here we have to the important option that is called save and save as. Save option we are using right now. What is exactly the difference between save and save as? Save as, whenever you are first time saving your painting, we are using save as option. And apart from, we have to the a save option are present. Save means what, a save option we are using if frequently you are saving your particular painting. Okay, now after later we have to the print option are there. Print means if you want to be a hard copy, we have the two types of copy are present. One is a soft copy and another is a hard copy. Soft copy means what, inside of your computer whatever you can see the documentation your painting, that all called as a soft copy. And the hard copy means what? A hard copy means simply whenever you are physically available in the paper, that is called to the hard copy. Okay, so we have to the two options are present, save and save as. After later print, and then we have to the share option. Share means what, if you want to be a sense, if you want to be a share with someone your painting, you can able to send them. Okay, after later we have to the image property options, means whatever we are making to the over here painting, that painting we can see the property like how much we have to the length, width, after pixels and everything. Okay, so that is exactly the considering inside of your image property. Okay, let me check the minute. Okay, now after later inside when you done that, we have to the exit button. Exit means what? Your application will be a close. Let me close over here. You can see application is closed right now.